messaging with my cousins in a chat room. You're a dork. What's a dork?
Well, it's not a nice thing to call someone. And this is supposed to be a kid-safe chat room for cousins only.
Who is Cheeky Cuz 13 anyway?
Cheeky Cuz 13 is not a name that exists in your extended family database.
We don't know that person. Some people online enjoy being mean. The most important thing is to ignore them. Tell an adult, then the adult can block them out. Like this.
Who is it, Mum?
It's Cheeky Cuz 13, also known as your cousin Brian. He changed his avatar to disguise himself in the chat room.
What does he want?
To say he's sorry.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for apologising. Bye.
Remember, if anything like this ever happens again, stop the conversation, block the messenger, and tell an adult. Stop, block, tell.